Most people open AI and use it like a fancy Google search. That's like buying a Ferrari and only driving it to the local grocery store. I build AI systems every single day across my companies, and I push these tools to their absolute limits in every phase of my work. Today, I'm going to walk you through 16 hidden AI hacks that will grow your business, skyrocket your productivity, and save you hours of time every single week. If you're ready, let's dive straight into it. 1. Memory and data transfer. If you're still stuck in old systems, sorry to hear, but it's time to migrate over to modern tools. But you don't want to lose your history, preferences, and data from those old platforms, right? The solution is simple. Advanced AI models can import your old data in seconds with a single prompt. Go to your settings, start the memory import option, copy the special prompt the system gives you, paste it into your old platform, and then take that summary and paste it back into your new box. That's it. Your entire context is now in your new assistant's memory. 2. The right model for the right job. The system you use has different power levels, essentially models, and you have to assign the right model to the right job to get the best results. Generally, there are 3 tiers. The Haiku level. This is your fastest and most economical option. It's perfect for summarizing tons of meeting notes or raw data in seconds. The Sonnet level. Best for everyday tasks. It's awesome at drafting emails, generating quick responses, and giving you options. The Opus level, the master of complex tasks. Pick this model for analyzing big metrics, finding deep patterns, and building strategies. If you want, you can leave the control to the system and let it choose automatically, but I like to have my own control. 3. Email integration, the inbox wizard. Stop asking me if it's secure. The data security at big AI companies is a bazillion times stronger than your home internet security. You should not be manually touching your inbox anymore. Connect the system to your email, let it summarize incoming messages, draft replies, and bring up old emails that regular search engines fail to find. Just like that. If you have an assistant, you can give them access to your email through a shared AI account, so they can self-serve and find any information without ever having to ask you. Total power move. 4. Calendar integration and time coaching. Don't just use AI to schedule appointments. Tell the system, create a 1-hour time block sometime before this Friday for me to review the new video outline, and watch it explain why it picked that specific time. An even more advanced move. Upload your quarterly goals into the system. Let it analyze your calendar and emails to tell you if you are spending the right amount of time to achieve those goals. Congratulations, you now have a business coach. Plus, these integrations also work for Slack, Notion, GitHub, and Google Drive. I know you're maxed out on time trying to grow your business. If you want the AI operating system framework that I use in my own companies completely for free, just DM me AI Business on Instagram and I'll send it right over. 5. Live apps inside the chat. AI doesn't just generate text anymore. It builds mini apps and tools that work right inside your chat screen. People ask me every day, Dan, I have an idea. Where do I find a developer? Look in the mirror. You are that developer. Tell the system, build me a dynamic table with editable columns containing sales rep status, products sold, and updated data, and watch an interactive software come to life on your screen in seconds. 6. Interactive visuals. I used to take data from AI and visualize it in other graphic tools. Now, there's no need for that. When you tell the system, visualize this strategy for me, it builds beautiful flowcharts and live visuals that you can click on and expand. It's a tactic that accelerates learning incredibly fast. 7. Project rooms and collaboration. Think of this as a smart project folder preloaded with all your context, PDFs, transcripts, and internal documents. You can also invite your team to collaborate. For example, I have every one of my coaching calls transcribed and uploaded here. When I'm looking for a new content idea, I tell the system, Find stories about the financial challenges our clients have struggled with most recently, and it feeds me ideas instantly. You can get the same professional output every time by adding a permanent system prompt to your project room. 8. Voice mode, fast thinking. We can talk 3 times faster than we can type. Hit the microphone when you're on the go or driving, and just dump your messy thoughts. The AI is smart enough to understand exactly what you mean, organizes everything perfectly, and gives it back to you while transcribing the whole conversation. 9. Browser extension. This extension is a non-negotiable for me. You can have the AI directly analyze an open website, a massive database, or a complex spreadsheet right in your browser. It takes a snapshot of the site, scrapes the background data, and finds insights in seconds that would take you hours to notice. 10. Computer control. Here is the nerdiest set and most exciting part. You step away from your computer and the AI takes over your mouse and keyboard to do work for you. Turn on this feature in the desktop app and describe the task. Pull last month's sales numbers from HubSpot, drop them into a Google Sheet, build a summary chart, and post it on the team Slack channel before Monday, 9 a.m. The system takes control of your screen and executes every step in order, like a pair of invisible hands doing the work for you. 11. Scheduled tasks. You know those routine tasks you do every time you sit down at your computer? Now you can hand them over to AI. As long as your computer is open, you can set a scheduled command for the system to read your inbox every morning, sort out what's urgent, summarize what's new in the world, and give you a report. It's like having your own digital chief of staff. 12. Remote command. What if you're out at dinner and suddenly need to send a file to your team? You can command your home or office computer through the mobile app on your phone. Find the presentation deck on my computer, send it to the team, and ask them for feedback. Full control on the go. No need to run to the office. 13. Coding engineering. Now you can build massive applications with zero software knowledge, just by talking in plain English. I taught everyone in my company how to write code using this system. A 60-year-old acquaintance of mine who is completely non-technical used this system to build himself a full-fledged CEO dashboard. AI is the only technology ever created that teaches you how to use it better. 14. Control via messaging channels. As long as your computer is running, you can chat with your AI over Telegram, Discord, or iMessage to write code or run your systems. For example, a buddy of mine was running late for a flight, so he messaged his system via Telegram. The AI checked his email, looked at his calendar details, and checked into the flight for him. 15. AI skills. You can train the AI to do repeatable tasks exactly the same way every single time. You can install ready-made finance, legal, or HR skills, or you can create your own. One of the most popular is the humanizer skill, which removes the robotic patterns from AI-written text and rewrites it in a natural tone as if a real human wrote it. 16. Advanced Design World. Pitch decks, one-pagers, landing page mockups, and even motion graphics. Upload your brand guides and style examples, then describe what you want. It will build you a draft in minutes. The entire design world is shifting big time with these next-generation tools. I just overloaded your mind with a bunch of information, but here's the great news. You don't need to do them all at once. Now you just know that they exist. So, leave a comment below and let me know. Which one of these tactics are you going to try in your business today? A lot of people message me saying, "Dan, I feel like I'm behind in the AI era." Trust me, I never feel completely ahead either. The only question that matters is, are you taking the step today that will keep you ahead? If you watched this video this far, you are already more ahead than 99% of people. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and DM me AI Business on Instagram for your free operating playbook. See you on the other side.